Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going all the way back to basics with something super important, but also super easy once you get the hang of it. We're talking about the verb to be in the present simple. This little verb is everywhere in English, so mastering it is a game changer. Ready? Let's do this. First up, what exactly is the verb to be? Think of it as the verb of existence or state. It tells us what something is, where it is, or how it is. It's an irregular verb, which means it doesn't follow the usual rules. But don't worry, there are only 3 forms you need to remember in the present tense. Am, is, and are. Let's break it down by pronoun. For we always use am. I am a teacher. I am happy. I am from Canada. Simple, right? I and am are best friends. They always go together. Next, for he, she, and it, we use he is a doctor. She is smart. It is cold today. So whenever you're talking about one other person or one thing, think is, my friend is funny. The dog is cute. The book is on the table. It's all about that singular is. Finally, for you, we and they, we use are. You are watching this video. We are learning English. They are my parents. Are is for when you're talking to someone, talking about a group you're in, or talking about other people or things, more than one. My keys are on the counter. You guys are awesome. So, to recap, I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. That's the foundation. Now, let's make it sound more natural. In everyday conversation, we almost always use short forms or contractions. It makes you sound much more fluent. So, I am becomes, I'm feeling great. He is becomes, he's my brother. She is becomes, she's at work. And it is becomes, it's a beautiful day. See how that flows better? For the are forms, you are becomes your. You're doing a great job. We are becomes, we're going to the park. And they are becomes, they're very kind. Using these contractions is a huge step toward sounding like a native speaker. Okay, so what about when we want to say no? This is the negative form, and it's super easy. All you do is add the word not after the verb to be. I am not tired. He is not a student. They are not from here. And just like before, we have contractions for the negative forms to make it sound more natural. But here's a little trick. For I am not, the only common contraction is I'm not. I'm not ready yet. For is not, you can say isn't, he isn't home. And for are not, you can say aren't, we aren't leaving. So he's not or he isn't both work. They're not or they aren't are also both correct. Just pick the one that feels most comfortable for you. Last but not least, how do we ask questions? This is maybe the easiest part of all. To make a question with the verb to be, you just flip the subject and the verb. So, you are happy becomes, are you happy? She is a doctor becomes, is she a doctor? It is cold becomes, is it cold? They are ready becomes, are they ready? You just invert them. So you see, the verb to be is like a friendly little building block. Once, am, is, and are, and how to make them negative and how to ask questions, you've unlocked a huge part of the English language. Practice making your own sentences. Tell me in the comments, where are you from? I'm from, well, let's just say I'm from the internet. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.